Okay, I have the Lange, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I have both sizes of the Le Volume blow dryer. They're sort of an oval shape versus a round brush. And this is a hot tool. This part of the metal gets quite hot, and then it blows air through. And I have to say, these have been a game changer for my natural grown out gray hair. And I'm popping in a couple of pictures where you'll see my hair wet is very, very wavy, almost ringlet curls in the back, but it can get really, really frizzy. And so these have been great for a quicker blow dry. I'm not super coordinated. I'm not a hairdresser or a stylist or anything like that. So it's makes it much easier for me that I can use just one tool. I also have pretty thick hair. I have a lot of hair, so I wanted to cut down on the time that it takes, and it has done that as well. So this is the bigger one. I think it's 75 millimeter or something like that. It comes with a cover to protect your tool, and then it comes with a little cleaner brush that can pull out the hair, which I haven't done in this one, and I need to. And it's got like a little brush thing on the end to clean the base of it. And it's got three different, it's off, cool, low, and high. So depending on what kind of hair you have or how much heat you want to use, I honestly usually use the high because I'm only using it a couple times a week. I only wash my hair a couple times a week, and then just with some touch-ups, or I'll wear it up. So this one, the reason I have both is this one, if I want a more sleek, straight blowout, and say I'm wearing it up in a ponytail or something, and I want it quite straight, and I need it fast, this one blows my hair out quicker. For my hair, you can see I have a lot of hair, and every hairstylist I've ever been to has said that, so even they get tired of styling my hair halfway through or so. And so this one is quicker and gives me more of a straight, smooth finish. And then the smaller one I used today, and it gives me a little bit more of the wave that I would naturally have. So you can see it's not really curly or anything, but I do get a little bit of wave and a little bit of body. So apparently they recommend the smaller one if you have shorter hair. It would be great if you had finer hair or not as much hair as me. So either one, if you have very long hair and want to get it done quickly, I would recommend the bigger one. If you want a little bit of wave and such to your hair, probably the smaller one, but it does take a little bit longer to dry. But it has cut my drying time way down. Before, with a blow dryer and a brush and all that, honestly, I would give up like halfway through. It was just too much, and to try and get the back of my hair by myself was so difficult. And this, you can just literally, you know, get it on there and pull. I focus on the ends in the beginning and just run it through just to sort of seal those ends so that they're not frizzing up on me as I'm drying my hair. And then I also do use the Lange glass hair, and I really like this product. Like I said, I only use it a couple times a week, maybe on some touch-ups, a little bit of flyaway. So I'll section my hair up, and I'll just give a couple spritz of this, and it works great. It really does smooth it and give it a little bit of shine. So I've been happy with that as well. So other than that, I think that's all I can tell you. You can see the results yourself. I'm so happy with this tool, and I have to say it's a real game changer where I can have a really decent and nice blowout at home.